Problem number 7. So things are getting a little bit complicated. This one is the general term is more complex, but we have only odd numbers. So there are a couple things to figure out first. How many numbers do you have? So how many terms? It's only odd numbers up to 50. So 50 is like there are 25 odd numbers, but we don't have one. So basically, except one, so we have 24 terms here. We are adding 24 fractions. Now, how do I simplify this? And the general expression is n plus 1 squared, something like this. So I want to rewrite it some way. Yeah, n squared plus 1 is greater than n squared minus 1. So you can rewrite it as so that's like proper fraction. So basically this is like very simple idea from like 3rd grade. You need to rewrite it as a proper fraction. So what does it mean? You can write it as like this. That's 1 squared minus 1. So this expression is basically 1 plus 2 over this. And we know how to factorize this. This is a difference of squares, n minus 1, n plus 1. So if I write the expression as 2, n minus 1, and n plus 1. And can you split? So that's another one of the tricks that we are using a lot in this problem is to be able to split the fraction into 2. So you can Google that. So for example, if it's like AB, you can write it somehow like something like this, right? Because you can do the common denominator as AB, and then the numerator has to be equal to 1. So what happens if I split this fraction into 2? So that's like 1 plus, if I just do the 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. If you do the common denominator, it's n minus 1 multiplied by n plus 1. And then you need to multiply n plus 1, and then this one is n minus 1. So it gives you this. You can just stop the video and verify it by yourself, but that's how you split. So that's there are some methods how to split fractions. You can Google that. It's a very simple trick, but sometimes it's very easy to see. So what we have, this expression turns out to be equal to this one, right? All of them have ones. So all of these, like you have, when you rewrite this, like 1 plus something, 1 plus something. So if I rewrite my expression, the initial expression, so this one equals to here. Like every term has 1, this term using this formula. So I'm going to write it like 24 plus. So I just collect all the ones. We can have a moment to figure that out. And then the next terms are, so n minus 1 and n plus 1. That's like 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 1. So the first term, this one is like 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. And then this one is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6. And then the next one is 1 over 6 minus 1 over 8. And so on, up to 1 over 48 minus 1 over 50. Now you can see the terms that cancel out. This is 0, this is 0. You have like 2 consecutive zeros and up to here. So in the end, you are left with 24 plus half minus 150. So do this calculation, you get the final result for this expression. So again, the trick is to rewrite the general form. So this is the general form, and which is equal to 1 plus 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1. So this, the negative sign is doing the trick actually. when you write the entire expression, you'll get like plus minus like this, which cancel each other. So that makes the calculation much easier.